Chlorine, the 17th element on the periodic table, classified as a halogen with an atomic weight of about 35.45. At room temperature, chlorine is a yellow-green gas that has a sharp, pungent odor. This distinct color led to the element's name based on the Greek word chloros, meaning greenish yellow. But because of its high reactivity, chlorine is rarely found in nature in its pure elemental form. This high reactivity is characteristic of halogens thanks to their 7 valence electrons, which are extremely eager to gain 1 electron to achieve stable configuration. But although it's rare on its own, chlorine can be found everywhere in a variety of minerals, the most common being halite, also known as common salt, but chlorine can also be found in carnallite and sylvite. Today, chlorine is produced primarily through the electrolysis of brine, which is a concentrated solution of salt. One of the most well-known uses of chlorine is to treat swimming pool water, significantly reducing the risk of waterborne diseases. When chlorine is added to the water, it reacts with the water to form hypochlorous acid. This compound is neutral and easily penetrates bacterial cell walls, and once inside, the chlorine breaks the chemical bonds of the bacteria's proteins and enzymes, disabling them. With this, the bacteria can no longer metabolize nutrients, leading to its death. This same process actually can also affect humans, and chlorine gas was used as a chemical weapon during World War I. It's also one of the key ingredients in chloroform. But in the pool, the chlorine levels are carefully regulated to be able to kill bacteria but be safe for you to splish splash in. To end on a lighter note, chlorine's sole use isn't killing bacteria. About 20% of all chlorine produced is actually used to make PVC, a versatile plastic commonly used in water pipes and on window frames.